Ever wondered how you can easily count how many times each item appears in a list or an array? Today, we're going to show you exactly how to do that using Java 8 streams. Let's dive in. Imagine you have a list of fruits. List contains apple, orange, banana, and apple. How can you quickly figure out how many times each fruit appears? Streams API make this task super simple. First, let's understand what Java streams are. Think of a stream like a conveyor belt that processes items one by one. You can perform operations on these items like filtering, mapping, and reducing as they pass through the stream. Here's how you can find the frequency of each element in the list of fruits. Step 1. Convert the list to a stream. This turns the list into a stream so you can process each element. Step 2. Group the elements by their value. This collects identical elements together. Step 3. Count the occurrences of each element. This counts how many times each element appears. In the program, the arrays as list method takes the elements as input and returns a list of strings. Then, the stream method converts that list into a stream. Next, the collectors dot grouping by method groups the elements by their value and counts their occurrences. In the grouping by methods constructor, the first argument is function identity, which returns the elements themselves, while the second argument, collectors counting, counts how many times each element appears. So, with just a few lines of code, you can easily find out how many times each element appears in your list. Isn't that cool? With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.